Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. The third type of relationship is many-to-one. In this type of relationship, multiple records in a column of first table will have one record in the column of second table. To create many-to-one relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from purchase table to price table. We have created a many-to-one relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. Here we can see that the cardinality relationship is set to many-to-one. Now, if we want to convert this to one-to-many, I will exchange my first and second table. This will convert the relationship to one-to-many. The product ID is the common column in both the tables.